Hey there, folks. Wacky Weatherman. What is happening with y'all? Today is May 14th, 2022. Yeah, I know it's been the day's about gone, but go out here. I need to put the window up on my side. So groovy. But hey, I'm actually using the iPhone, the iPhone 13. So this is what it looks like at night with it. Okay. Here's what it looks like over there. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Yeah, would you look at that? Check it out. There's some groovy lights over there. So let us, I'll let y'all see what that looks like over here. So yeah, you can see the car pretty good. There is what it looks like right there. Yep, you can see the sky. Oh, there's the moon right there. We can zoom in on him. No, I can't zoom in very much. That's one thing about the phone, I can't zoom in. Oh, guess what I found? Ooh. You see that? Was that lightning? I don't know. Might be. Like I said, tomorrow we're supposed to have some storms, I believe. But we'll see. So, oh yeah, let me keep an eye on that. Guess what I found? I found the Note 10 Plus. Remember me telling y'all that I've been trying to find that thing for months? I haven't seen it since December 10th. You know, the big, tornado that tore up Mayfield. Well, I found it. You know where it was? It was on the, it was on the corner of the table next to the window on the kitchen table. Yep. There's the dash. Groovy, huh? But anyway, y'all, it is groovy. Hey, I'll tell you what, let us I'll take you around back. I'll let you see how this how the camera looks back there. So give me a couple seconds. We'll go out back here and we'll see. I'll let y'all see what that looks like out here. So yep, come on, let's go. Let us go around back. And like I said, I'll let y'all see what this looks like. Groovy, huh? Of course it is. Of course it's going to be groovy. Why wouldn't it be groovy? So yeah, let me show you this in case if I didn't. This is it. Yep, that was lightning. Yep. I believe we're gonna have a storm or something, I believe. Yep, there's lightning right there, y'all. Well, I'll be crap. Gonna be a little bit of lightning coming up in here. I'll tell you what, you guys give me a couple minutes because I do not want to lose the thing. Let me give me a couple seconds here, and I'll just sit and enjoy that, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my shoes. Alrighty, folks, here I am. There we are. Yeah, we'll go out there. Yeah, I can see a little bit of it. Ooh, I have a flashlight. I probably should have used one of them notes, huh? That's all right. I don't care. But I have light. It's my big old flashlight. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, keep it here, y'all. This would be good. This would be some good. This will be some good video time. Look at that. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be juicy. Oh yeah, check that out. Yes, sir. This is May 14th, 2022. Wacky weatherman. But yeah, I'm glad I found the note, that 10 plus. It was actually right under my nose. Like I said, it was on the corner edge of the table, close to the window. Yeah, we'll get some lightning here. Like I said, it's supposed to be having storms come in. So I'm gonna let y'all see that. And who knows, I might use the, oh wow, look at that. Might use the Note 10 Plus tomorrow just to be glad to use it. So, but this right here is just a little nighttime update. I don't know what this is gonna do. Like I said, I'm just using the iPhone 13 to film. So it's gonna be a long, stretched out video. But yeah, man, we got some nice lightning back over there. James, my man. Oh yeah, check that. Ooh, check that out, folks. That's some groovy stuff. Now we just gotta hear. Well, now we just gotta wait to hear some thunder. Looks like we're gonna be having a nice little lightning storm. Keep it here. We'll keep it here. Just like I said, this is what it looks like with the 10 Plus. I mean, with the you know, the iPhone 13. But actually looking back here, oh yeah, look at that. Let me look at it with the naked eye. Y'all can probably hear the frogs and hear everything. So yeah, man, this will be groovy. James, my man, you're gonna like this. Yep, we're gonna have a storm coming, looks like. That's awesome, man. So there's talking about storms being there. I mean, look at that lightning. Look how that lightning is. It looks pretty bad back in there. I wish, dang it, they had the storms during the freaking daytime. I wish they had that through the daytime. Yeah, like I said, right there is the storage building. So, but this is groovy, man. Groovy stuff. But my arm is hurting. My arm is actually bothering me a little bit. So, like I said, I don't know if I can use. If I might just copy the videos from the iPhone to the Note itself. Okay, I might. I do have that micro. I do have the, because I sold that Samsung A20, the A02s. I sold that phone today. Sold it for 70 bucks. A girl bought it. A young lady bought it for her 8-year-old son, and he wanted it. And He said, would he take $75? I said, yeah, I will for him. So, but yeah, so we'll just see what happens. We'll just keep an eye out on this, and we'll just see what happens. Like I said, we'll and I put the 256 gigabyte, put the 256 gigabyte card in the Note 9. So I think I can copy the files to that instead. So I think, folks, we actually might be able to use this. I'll try it out, and if that'd be the case, well then I'll use the iPhone 13. That's why I got it for, right? That's why I got it for, is to use. So, because it's a bad phone, I mean, it's got a nice Super AMOLED display. So, but anyway, it is. Oop, thought I felt a little spray. Oh yeah, look at that right there, boy. Yep, you can see it back up there. You can see that dude back in there, babe. Yep, y'all can see it. So like I said, we're just watching this for whatever reason. We're just watching it because, well, we haven't seen, because I told y'all about a while back that we had a nice lightning storm out here, a lightning show out here a couple weeks ago, about a month ago, almost a month ago. But they found the videos. They're just on the thing, but I think I'm gonna copy those up. But just allow me the time to work on. Oh yeah, look at that. Allow me the time to work on them. Allow me the time, boys. Like I said, right now it's just lightning, but we got a heck of a light show happening. See the lights off there in the trees? Yeah, it's coming back up in there. Neighbors left a few minutes ago, so they're probably gonna run into some rain, run into a little bit of rain. But hey man, but hopefully you guys are having a good day. Saturday. It's been groovy. That's nice. It's a nice little lightning show right there. Tell you what, man, we've been doing it for the last couple of days. Well, today, yesterday, and like I said, just trying to get some videos in here. We did 2 videos yesterday. I thought it was going to storm yesterday, but apparently we didn't have a storm. And tonight looks like it's going to be one, and we're actually going to get ready to go to bed here in a little bit because kind of a little tired, man. I'm going to take my gabapentin, but look at that. So we'll see what this transpires in the morning, y'all. So Wacky Weatherman, I'm going to go ahead and end it because I'm getting tired of holding the phone, and there's not really anything to really be seeing. So just one more look around, I guess, huh? One more little bolt of lightning. Yep, there's the one. One more and we'll go. Oh, there you go. All right, y'all. It's not really, like I said, it's just lightning back in there. She actually missed a little spot here when she was mowing. There we go. Just some little stragglers. didn't make it. But actually, with that Note 10 Plus, it has the light on it. That's one thing the iPhones don't have. They don't have that light on them. But anyway.
No one needed when he was outside.
What?
So I was up getting an apple.
Ah.
He had set stuff on top of it.
Oh, he did? Where? Now, why would it do something like that for? Oh, man. Well, say goodnight, Wacky Weather Girl.
Good night, Wacky Weatherman.
Okay. Well, that's it. So, May 14th, y'all, 2022. And we'll turn it back on in the morning. I'll see y'all in the morning. We'll do that Note 10 Plus, and by golly, we'll have fun in the morning.
We have some someplace.
Actually, there's, yeah, I saw some too. All right, y'all. Y'all be groovy.